Welcome back. Morel Mushroom, Endgame. You can do this. Well, it's not the end of the season yet, but we're well over halfway and been steadily finding them. Found some good ones this year. Really good ones. And after you go this way and that way, checking all the signs, and the weather. Getting all the advice you can get. Putting in the miles. And some battle wounds. You start tallying up the harvest. And you get to the good stuff. Salt, pepper, garlic. Keep it simple. I could watch my favorite lady cook all day. I am sorry, but some of her cooking techniques are classified. I've been informed. I know I can't do it, but this is the end result. And here it is on the plate. We are blessed. You can do this.